What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel. My name is Barry.
My name is Albert.
You're watching Huang Bros. Thank you for tuning in the channel. Today we're gonna do something not so different, but kind of different. Where
Look what I got.
He's got a LEXUS key.
LEXUS F key.
So if you guys been following the channel, or if you don't know, I have a Lexus RCF. I drive it a lot more than he does because he's got his own car, which is
A GTR?
a Nissan GTR. So today we're gonna be looking at this car, a LEXUS ISF. Not F Sport, but an F.
F.
All right.
You get that mistaken a lot. F Sport and F.
Yep. So the difference between this and an F Sport, not saying you guys are, don't know what it is, but an F Sport has a 6-cylinder. This thing has a massive 5.0 V8. All right, let me say it again, 5.0 V8. Now, this ISF, it's a, I believe, an 08, and let me introduce you to the owner. This is Kim, my friend. So Kim, what do you have done to this car?
So far, since this is a daily, I've done my own custom aero.
Okay, we can see that.
Daily driven.
Daily what now?
Daily driven.
Okay. Daily driven, like our motivation, right? Don't daily driven. Anyways, you got your own custom made aero. I see that. What's it made out of?
So this is probably a carbon poly.
Carbon poly. Okay, that's different.
And it's a different process from different than regular carbon fiber. It's more pressed.
Okay.
This one's about 13 millimeter.
Dang, 13 mil. That's pretty thick. 13 mil.
Yeah. And these side fins right here came off of my old diffuser.
Nice.
Customized
I
it.
noticed your front grille is different. It's not the standard Lexus
The
L's.
mesh?
The
Yeah,
mesh.
like this one?
Yeah.
The regular mesh?
So I did that on purpose. With the OEM one, to me it felt more restricted.
Okay.
So what I did was basically took out the center grille, used the surround, but underneath it or behind it is a custom carbon fiber air scoop.
I noticed that. I think this is pretty cool. One of my favorite parts about this car is that this is also a custom made fins on the side, which, it's weird. It actually works. You mind if we pop your engine for a little bit just to see what's underneath the hood?
Sure. You gotta ask me. I have the keys.
He's got the keys.
I'm the owner. I'm the owner.
Okay, engine review in 3, 2, and I don't even know how to work this thing. And voila. Wow. AMSOIL. I don't know. Is it AMSOIL? Is it AMSOIL in there? Oh, that's pretty cool. I like what you did. You vented the hood cover.
Oh, he wrapped
Or the engine cover.
regular.
Now, I noticed it says TEIN right here, or TAN. Is that your suspension?
Yes.
Okay. What kind of TAN? TAN,
So
TAN?
I have the kind of discontinued but older model Street Advance.
Street Advance, okay.
Before they went to the whole Flex C, Flex A, whatever they're called.
I have a set of TAN monosports that I had on my RCF that I don't need. So essentially we're gonna be driving this road today. Gonna have my brother drive a Lexus V8 for not really first time, but trying it on a road like this for the first time.
It'll be the first time I've driven like an ISF. I've driven the IS250 for this generation.
How do you think this is gonna compare to an IS250?
Well, I think it's gonna be a lot more sturdy because it's an ISF, so I would think that they built up their suspension a little bit better, and
Okay.
just the way it handles. And coming from a RCF, driven an RCF, I mean, it should be the same because the engine, I'm thinking the suspension might be similar.
Okay.
Maybe.
Today we're gonna have my brother drive the ISF and go on this road right here, and then afterwards we're gonna take off you said Street Advance? We're taking off the TAN Street Advance Z and putting in the TAN Mono Sports with a stiffer spring rate. So right now the spring rates for this car, I believe, is 9 in the front and 9 in the back. We're gonna switch it to hopefully 14 in the front and maybe 12 or 11 in the back, something like that. So that'll be his new set, and we'll be back on this road. So what's also good about increasing the spring rate to this car, going from 9 kilograms to 14, is that if you guys saw, as we showed earlier, he has a splitter, a front splitter. A front splitter is known to pull or push the car down. So we need a stiffer spring rate to be able to hold that downforce being applied. So all in all, upgrading the spring rate, upgrading the valving, upgrading the overall suspension, good. All right, let's stop talking. Let's get to action. But yeah, let's get in there.
Enough talking. Let's drive.
Let's do it. Here we go.
All right, seatbelts on.
Let me get my seatbelt on.
Yes, yes.
This
All right, so we just parked it on dirt, so I'm gonna
parked
clean
on
off
dirt.
clean off the tires real quick.
Let's put the windows. Let's put some windows
style.
down.
NASCAR style.
Put some windows down. Listen to the engine.
NASCAR style.
Damn! Don't break his car.
No, we're testing out the suspension. We're trying to see.
Yeah.
All
right. We don't need to go that fast. We just need to be able to see what it handles. So yeah, again, we're having my brother drive because he's gonna be unbiased because he doesn't ever really drive a Lexus.
Yeah.
So this is good stuff.
Let's put this thing in sport.
Sports. Damn, look at the dash on this thing.
All right.
That looks cool. I like that.
Looking
dash.
for some bumps.
This is a really smooth road.
A smooth road, yeah.
So initial impressions? What do you think?
So far it's handling like a daily driver. No, it's good so far. Like, oh, we just hit a bump. So far, so good. I mean, I'm not taking the turns too fast right now. I'm only taking like 45.
What's your miles? What's your speed? What's your speed?
Right now it's 50.
Okay.
I'm in like 2,500 RPM, almost 3. Keeping it low gear.
Before getting to the spot, we had Kim. Oh, watch out for them.
Yeah.
Safety first.
Yeah. I didn't want to zoom by them and have them call the cops or something.
And that's why we're not going fast today, because there's other people on the road. We gotta share the road. So, by chance, do you feel the front splitter?
I
The
feel
downforce? Damn, that V8 is screaming. Okay.
We just took that turn at 60. It's handling really good there.
Okay. Yeah, this route is really smooth. It's kind of pretty cool. We should drive here more. But overall, I think from the passenger, this is doing pretty well.
Yeah.
I can feel the handling. It's feeling pretty good, pretty rock solid. Oh, watch out for bikers. Always slow down for bikers.
Yeah.
Right now, as a passenger, I could say that there's less, if not no, body roll. I mean, there's always gonna be body roll,
Very little.
but this is very little.
Oh yeah, we were planted on that one.
Yeah, very planted. I like it. But just imagine if we were to upgrade the spring rate and the valving. Imagine if we did that. Oh man, this thing would handle.
Oh, we just did an S turn right there. It was solid.
Hey, you know what a big difference about this car and my car is my RCF?
What's that?
It's 300 pounds lighter.
Ah. Well,
So, this thing feels a lot more
people in here.
Yeah, but this thing feels a lot more nimble than my car though. I can feel it from the passenger.
It feels good. Yeah, like I'm literally staying within the lanes, or the markers.
Yeah.
Send it.
Okay.
Yeah, it's. Yeah, it's planted. Real planted. It's real good.
Man, this thing, I kind of like this.
Oh, 35. No, it's good. It's good. It's really like every time we come up on a bump,
Yeah.
it stays on the ground.
Okay.
Like I didn't feel any air time.
No air time. Yeah.
Sharp turn. Might be the arrow.
Might be the arrow. It might be the arrow.
Might be the arrow. Yeah.
Yeah. He's got
I've
the
been
diffusers,
going-
fins on the sides, and he's got a front splitter.
Yeah.
This is the end
I
of
think
our
that's
trip.
the end of it. Yeah.
This is the end of our trip.
Yeah.
Oh no.
It wasn't bad. It was good.
Ooh. Yeah, that's not getting cut out. We hit we hit something on the road.
I did not know that was gonna.
But no, I think again, as a passenger, it was very solid.
Yeah,
it was
no,
very
overall,
planted. It was firm as like everything that anybody would ever describe about suspension.
Yeah.
But it was very firm. So I'm very excited to try and putting on this Tein Monosport and increasing the spring rate in the front and back. So
It's a lot bumpier on the way back.
yeah, it's a lot of bumps here.
What the heck?
But I think so far that was a pretty good ride.
Yeah, no, it was really good. I felt confident.
Yeah,
Like
it gives you
I haven't
confidence,
driven
right?
this car before, you know, and like I had the confidence that I knew it was gonna do well.
Oh, definitely,
on the road, on the
definitely.
twisty. And I was definitely, I wasn't pushing it to the max, but I would say I was pushing it damn near like 80, 75, 80% maybe.
Okay.
For what I'm comfortable with driving a new person's car, yeah.
Yeah.
You know? So normally I obviously go a little faster than GTR, but this was, I had a little bit of confidence in this.
So we got a driver's review, we've got a passenger review. How about a backseat review? What do you think, Kim?
Needs more work.
Needs more work.
That's what we're gonna do today.
That's what we're doing today. We need more work.
in today.
So again, today we're just testing out the road, testing out the suspension, just trying it out. You know, get that baseline of where it's at, so we can know how it feels later on when we come back to the road. We got the old one out, new one's going in. We got the old Coilovers out, and now we just put the Tein Motorsports in, as you saw in the video clips, and now we're gonna go on a test drive. We're making sure everything's good to go. All the 14mm nuts are in. Oh, what's this? What about adjust it? We're gonna go to what, 8?
You want 8?
So these Tein Motorsports in the front are 16 adjustable. So unfortunately, we tried to put in the Coilovers in the back. They won't fit because we are putting RCF suspension in the ISF. The front works, the back doesn't, because RCF suspension is twice as long as the rear, as the ISF rear. So unfortunately, can't work, but it's okay. At least he's got front ones that are stiffer. So he's running 14 kg in front and 9 kg in the back. All right, we made it back out here. We finally finished installing the RCF front coilovers onto the front of the ISF. And I think we might have honestly put it too low. I think we might have made it too low. But the back hasn't been changed, of course, but the front has changed. Kim, what do you think so far of the suspension? Need to max it out? I think we need to max it out.
Yeah.
So one thing about Tein is that we have to max out the suspension. Out of 16 adjustable, we went 8 coming here. Now we've had it at 16 out of 16. And we're gonna have my brother Albert finish the review. All right, here we go for the test drive. For my brother finishing out his LEXUS ISF experience.
Yes.
So with the upgraded, let's take off the dirt.
Yep.
NASCAR. Taking out the dirt. Taking off the. Oh, okay. Okay, here we go. And go. So what do you think of it so far with the,
It's like solid right now.
like no BS?
Like it's not bumpy.
So we went from 9 kg to 14 kg. What's the difference? What do you feel?
The turning is a lot better. Like,
Are you just saying just say it, or you like?
no, I'm being dead serious like right now. Like, I'm turning faster, and there's not much of a lean.
Oh, okay.
Like, I'm being dead serious right now.
So if you heard that noise, we did make it too low, but in the passenger seat, I will say that it's definitely, if it does feel
It's like,
a lot more firmer than the last set of front coilovers. Uh-oh. This BMW about to launch it. Launch it.
No,
Okay.
but it's like super. It's like, even though we said it, I know we said it at the stiffer suspension or whatever, but like you can really feel the stiffness right now.
Yeah, so
Like the exit speed, like entry and exit speed, I can hold it in.
as a passenger in a shotgun, I can definitely feel that it's a lot more firmer. Honestly, it's a lot more firmer. It's less bouncy.
No, it really is less bouncy because
It really is less bouncy. Yeah. So we went from 9 kg to 14 kg is less bouncy, which is less roll.
Yeah, less lean.
Less lean. So overall, it's sounds like a pretty positive experience in switching over to a better valving coilover and stiffer spring rates. So because for a Lexus, the front end is heavier than the back end, so you want your kilograms in front, the spring rates to be higher.
No, but seriously though, like I'm accelerating through the turns and it's really more planet than before. That's actually like the first thing I noticed. It's like it's not leaning and it turns a lot sharper.
That can definitely get annoying. How do you feel about the steering?
Like it's better. I honestly feel like I'm driving a lot faster than I was the first time because I feel even more confident now in the car.
Nice. Oh, you feel more confidence. That's
yeah, like it makes me feel more confident. Like the suspension.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Yeah. No, like I've been going 10 miles faster than before. I was going 55, 60. Now I'm going like 65, 70.
Okay.
Yeah. On like some of the turns.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Double
the speed limit out here.
the speed limit.
And we're not gonna say the speed limit out here. Wow. Yeah, definitely from a passenger point of view, it's definitely a better.
Yeah.
It's a little more stable. Wow, when you jump to the next tier of coilover valving, the suspension, and there's the actual result, that's good to know.
All right, well, there's a car.
Watch out for this. Ooh. Oh man.
That's the thing that I hit last time, right?
Yeah, same thing hit.
Dang.
Wow. All right, at least we saw it and tried to stop it.
I didn't want to slam on the brakes at the same time.
At least we tried to stop it, but yeah.
At least we took out one wheel, not both wheels.
Yeah. So Kim, what do you think back there? Any difference from before?
It feels more controlled.
It feels more controlled?
Yeah, no,
Oh.
It feels, yeah.
definitely more controlled.
It's more forgiving.
Yeah, that's true. It definitely, the Tame Monosports is more forgiving. That's
Before, it was more stiff. It's like to a point where I don't want to drive it as much.
okay.
Especially in this road where I'm very familiar with. But with the upgraded front, just the upgraded front alone, it feels like, yeah, I can take it more so with this car. Since I'm used to lighter cars, this is a heavy car.
Yeah, definitely. Heavier car needing more heavier swing rates. For sure.
Like I'm definitely not scared of like the understeer or oversteer with this. Now that we did that.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good. All right, guys. That's concludes today's video. So thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in, Juan Bros. And my brother's first time driving a LEXUS IS. What do you think?
I might get one. I actually thought about it when we were installing. I was like, man, these are probably cheap right now. I could probably buy one for like 15 or like
the V8s.
$15,000 or something like that.
Yeah.
So yeah, definitely thought about it.
All right, guys. Like again, that's gonna be for today's video. So thank you for watching, and please like, comment, subscribe.
We'll see you in the next one.
Peace.